morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm Greg Stanton, Mayor of the City of Phoenix, for this very important launch. Behind me, you have representatives of 29 great partners who have come together so that we can launch Phoenix Kicks Butts Week, a unique initiative that brings together 29 public, private, and nonprofit entities represented by these wonderful people behind me. They are working together to help people in Phoenix make the commitment to quit using tobacco. In the state of Arizona, we have made great strides to help people quit smoking. Data from the Department of Health Services shows that between 2011 and 2013, more than 800,000 people in Arizona quit smoking. We are headed in the right direction. This is a great accomplishment because it means that we are reducing the risk for serious diseases such as cancer and heart disease, and more importantly, fewer children in our state are exposed to secondhand smoke. But we have more work to do. We have more work to help people make the decision to quit smoking. In the city of Phoenix, we are committed to providing smoke-free environments, and recently, the City Council, we made an important decision. We announced that our public housing facilities will now be smoke-free. As part of the Phoenix Kicks Butts Week, which will run from April 20th to 24th, we are encouraging all people in the state of Arizona who want to quit smoking to call the Ash Line. The Ash Line. Pick up that phone and call. Today is your day to quit smoking. 1-800-5566-222. 1-800-5566-222. That's the Ash Line. That's the number if you want help coaching to quit smoking, because I know it takes a lot of help and encouragement. It takes all of us to encourage and help people to quit smoking. Call that Ash Line. You're going to find a personal coach who's going to help you make the important decision for your health and your family's health to quit smoking. The Ash Line is the Arizona Smokers Helpline that provides tools to help people quit smoking. The tools include nicotine replacement therapy and one-on-one coaching. Calling the Ash Line is free to anyone who wants help to quit smoking. Coaching is a vital tool to help people quit smoking. While it's possible to quit smoking cold turkey, research shows that people who call a helpline such as the Ash Line are more likely to be successful in quitting smoking. We are excited to announce today that anyone who wants to start on the path to quitting smoking during Phoenix Kicks Butts Week will be eligible for an extra incentive. Thanks to generous donations from our community partners who call the Ash Line during Phoenix Kicks Butts Week, we will be eligible to win free tickets to wonderful places like Wet n Wild, the Phoenix Rattlers, the Arizona Diamondbacks, and my family's personal favorite, the Phoenix Mercury, the world champion Phoenix Mercury. So the Phoenix Kicks Butts partners were very generous in donating 200 tickets. To be eligible for the drawing, you need to call and register with the Ash Line and participate in at least one coaching session. The chance to win tickets are an incentive to call, but the real reward is a healthier life you will live by quitting tobacco. Healthier for you, healthier for your children, healthier for your family members around you. We all know the dangers of tobacco products, so I encourage everyone who has ever thought about quitting, today is your day. Call the Ash Line. And I want to thank all of these great partners here behind me who are participating in the Phoenix Kicks Butts initiative and your commitment to helping the people of Arizona to live healthier lifestyles and to quit smoking. The partnership includes public agencies like the Arizona Department of Health Services and the Ash Line and nonprofit agencies such as the American Lung Association, the American Cancer Society, and private companies such as Pfizer, Safeway, and Reister. This is a true public-private partnership to make this exciting event happen. In all, there are 29 partners that have committed time and resources to helping people who want to quit smoking. And there are too many to name individually, but I want to thank you, and I want to thank each and every one of you who has worked so hard to make this a unique initiative. Now, you may be wondering, Phoenix Kicks Butts Week is next week, April 20th to 24th. And if you call during that time, you'll be eligible for those tickets and to change your life in a positive direction. But I have asked, and they've given me permission. You don't have to wait till next week. We don't want you to smoke any more cigarettes. Call today, starting today. If you call the Ash Line and you get that one-on-one coaching, you'll be eligible for those tickets, and you'll be able to change your life. So next week is Phoenix Kicks Butts Week. I happen to be out of town, and so they were kind enough to rearrange their schedule to be here today. But if you want to change your life for the positive, call today so you can quit smoking and you can be eligible for some fun prizes. We will now hear from my friend, Dr. Bob England, who is the director of Maricopa County Department of Public Health. Bob has led one of the largest public health agencies in the United States for almost 10 years. He and I have worked on a variety of community-based projects, and he is a great guy. He recognizes the crushing burden of chronic disease heading our way and truly believes in the power of prevention. With him at the helm, the county health department has encouraged a smoke-free college campuses, smoke-free apartment complexes, and a host of healthy policy initiatives. So Dr. Bob will talk to you about the positive effects of quitting smoking that can have on your health, the health of your entire family. So my friend, a kick-ash doctor, Dr. Bob England. I had to get that in there.
That's the best intro I've ever had. Thank you, Mayor. I'm really grateful to have this kind of partnership with the City of Phoenix and all of these partners behind us. It's wonderful. Do I really have to tell you that smoking is bad for you? Come on. It is still the leading cause of preventable death. It's ridiculous. 9,000 Arizonans are going to die this year from tobacco-related causes. That's appalling. If you want to quit, there's all kinds of help. Insurance almost always covers nicotine replacement therapy, as well as other visits that you may need to help you quit smoking. The Ash Line is free to you. Anybody who wants to call, I'm going to say the number again, 800-5566-222. Give them a call. Let me tell you, the success rate for quitting by using the Ash Line in combination with adjunct therapies is nearly 50%. It's about 40%. That doesn't sound great, but trying it cold turkey is more like 3%. A few people can quit just by getting up one morning and saying, I've had enough, I'm going to quit, but not many folks. Nicotine is one of the most addictive substances known. And if you started smoking when you were young, when most people did, that's when most smokers start. We all do stupid stuff when we're young that we grow up to regret later. If yours was you got addicted to nicotine, there's all kinds of help for you along the way so that you don't poison yourself and poison your family anymore. It's still a huge problem. As much as we've known about tobacco for as long as it's been, still about 1 in 6 adults smoke and 1 in 7 youth are picking up the habit and smoke. And the cost to the rest of us, as well as to them, is astronomical. It's about $300 billion a year we lose in this country to tobacco, from healthcare costs and from lost productivity costs. Who do you think pays that? If the healthcare costs are borne not just by the individual, they're borne by all of us. If people are getting government-sponsored insurance, we're paying for it through taxes. If they've got private insurance, we're paying for it through our own insurance rates. It's a huge, if the cost to employers from tobacco gets borne by all of us because they have to charge more for all their goods and services, and we wind up paying the bill. It's nearly $20 per pack of cigarettes that society pays for the cost of tobacco. So the next time somebody says to you, it's my business while they're smoking, say, great. The day you pay $20 in taxes for your pack of cigarettes, then it's your business. Because otherwise, we're all subsidizing it. But if you got hooked, that's not your fault. It's an incredibly addictive drug. Now's your chance. Now's the time that you can quit smoking. I'm grateful that he mentioned the community colleges and ASU going tobacco-free. That was a big initiative that we all worked on together. That was huge. That should get about 10,000 students who are on campus now to quit smoking. That's phenomenal. That'll save all of us about $1 billion over their lifetimes. And that's going to repeat every time there's a new group of students who come in. Therefore, the decision to make public housing go tobacco-free by the city of Phoenix, that's huge, because not only will that encourage people to quit smoking, that'll prevent others from being exposed to secondhand smoke through no fault of their own, just by virtue of they live next door to somebody who smokes and it seeps right through the walls. This is your opportunity. This is your chance. And if you want to talk to an individual who's been through it, I'm told we've got somebody here who's an ex-smoker who's willing to tell their experience. Samantha Bryan, right there. So feel free to interview her after the end of this, and let's do it. This is our week. This is our opportunity in this community to make a real difference in the lives of smokers and their families. Thank you very much.
So I think we're going to take individual questions and interviews afterwards, but I just want to give it one more time. The Ash Line, 1-800-556-6222. Thank you to each and every partner that's a part of this incredible event. Let's end smoking in the state of Arizona. Let's save some lives. Thank you, everyone. Phoenix Kicks Butts Week.